In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Wix. If you're running an online store or offering services through your Wix website, having the correct currency setup is really important. It helps your visitors immediately understand your prices and can avoid confusion or abandoned carts. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to change your site's main currency inside your Wix dashboard. First, go ahead and log into your Wix account using your usual details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard for the site you're working on. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you've selected the correct one at the top before you continue. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a vertical menu. This is where all your key controls live. Take a moment to scroll down this menu until you see the option labeled Settings. When you find it, click on Settings to open the main settings page for your site. Inside the settings area, you'll see several different sections. What you're looking for is language and regions. This is the place where Wix groups together options related to the language of your site, regional settings, and of course, your currency. Scroll down the settings page until you find language and regions, and then click on it. Once you're inside the language and regions section, scroll down again until you see the part labeled currency. Here, Wix allows you to define what it calls your main currency. This is the default currency that your store or site will use for prices. Under the main currency label, you'll see a drop-down field. Click on this drop-down to open the list of available currencies. Take your time to scroll through the list and find the currency you want to use. For example, US dollars, euros, pounds, or any other currency that best matches your business and audience. When you've found the correct currency, click on it to select it. Before you leave this page, you need to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which will usually appear at the top right or bottom right of the page. Click Save to confirm and apply your new main currency. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency in your Wix site. Your store or services will now display prices in the currency you selected, helping your visitors see exactly what they'll pay.